Hello community, my name is Richard Cruz. I work with the Ahimsa Collective and we do a trauma group inside of California prisons. I'm here today to talk to you about a safety video to go and do gate pickups around California prisons and to do it in the most safest way and caring way possible.
When preparing your car, make sure to wipe everything down with an approved disinfectant. You can find a list on the Environmental Protection Agency website. Wipe down door handles, dashboard, radio buttons, AC controls, and seatbelt buckles. For your seats, use a disinfectant spray like Lysol and be sure to cover all surfaces. Prepare supplies for you and the person you will be picking up. Be sure that anything you will be giving to the person you are picking up is also disinfected. The virus can live on surfaces like cardboard, fabric, plastic, and metal. Supplies you'll need are a face mask or bandana or scarf for yourself and the person you're picking up, disinfectant wipes or hand sanitizer, gloves, tissues, bag for trash, educational materials about COVID-19 in English and Spanish. If you're able, it would be good to prepare some supplies to leave with the person you're picking up once they get to their destination. Many essential safety supplies like face masks, wipes, hand sanitizer, soap, and toilet paper have been difficult to find at the store. If possible, prepare these supplies a few days in advance and let them sit in a closed space to reduce exposure. The amount of virus decreases rapidly over time on each of those surfaces.
This is an opportunity for you to practice your leadership skills. What I mean by that is to lead by example. And so when you go to pick somebody up, have your mask on, have your gloves on, so that way they see by your example what to do and it's not as intimidating when they get in the car, and then just educate them about all the things that you're doing that doesn't seem normal and for them to emulate that. We want to thank everybody that's stepping up during this pandemic to go and pick up everybody coming home from incarceration in a very caring and loving manner. In the first video, we talked about preparation, and today you're going to pick them up, and we're talking about picking up somebody with compassion and warmth and making that a very special day.
On the morning of your gate pickup, make sure you have all your supplies in your car: a face mask or bandana or scarf for yourself and the person you're picking up, disinfectant wipes or hand sanitizer, tissues, bag for trash, educational materials about COVID-19 in English and Spanish. Also make sure you have important documents on hand, like a driver's license, your itinerary for the day, information about the person you're picking up, like their full name, CDCR number, CDCR contact, parole probation agent, family member contact, and transitional home address. Before you leave, check your health and temperature. If your temperature is over 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit, do not go. If you are showing symptoms like coughing or having trouble breathing, do not go. Call for a backup. Otherwise, you're ready to go. Be sure to put on your mask.
Nate Williams from Choice for Freedom. So we got a pickup this morning from Tracy Priggins. We're training two of our possible employees to help us. But this is the procedures of making sure the driver is safe and then the passenger is safe. When he first entered the car, we have a little pack for him, which is a hand, a sanitizer, a mask, and the plastic gloves. You can look in here, the driver is completely safe. There's a plastic shield, which is required. He'll be in the back by himself, no contact. In the front, the driver will be in the front with plastic shield to protect him as well. So this will be our first pickup from Tracy Prison. We're taking him to LA. It's a 5-hour, 6-hour drive. Possibly we're gonna hire these two right here to possibly pick up people. And we'll be back at you later on.
Upon release, be sure to get a medical update from the person coming home. Do they feel sick? Have they had any coughing, fever, or trouble breathing? Have they been tested for COVID-19? If they exhibit any symptoms, make a plan to drive them to a testing site, or if it's really serious, to a hospital. When loading your car with their stuff, it's best to have them put the items in. The less surfaces that are touched by two people, the better. If they need help, be sure to put on gloves before loading. Once everything is ready, before you both get in the car, both people should put their masks on and clean their hands with disinfectant wipes or hand sanitizer. When you get in the car, you should ideally have as much space as possible in between yourselves. Definitely don't pack multiple people into the car. The fewer people, the less risk. If you haven't been able to get a cell phone for them, they may want to use your phone to call a loved one. Be sure to wipe down your phone before giving it to them and also after. If you go shopping for essentials, remember to physically distance yourself from others. Physical distancing means at least 6 feet between two people, and to wipe down your hands afterwards. If you get takeout for a meal, eat outside if possible at a table that allows for space. Remember to wash your hands or use hand sanitizer, and don't share food.
Once you reach your destination, check in with the people that you're arriving at their home or the transitional house. Talk to them about safety measures and educate them about safety during COVID in case they may not know or nobody's educated them, but educate everybody together and do it in a very loving and warm way. That's it. Thank you for watching these videos, and thank you for making this a warm and special day for somebody getting out of prison, whether it's 1 year or 20 years they've done. We thank you for all your help, and remember, we're all in this together. Let's get people home safely. Let's keep ourselves safe and them safe and their families, and just keep moving through this. Thank you.